Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I am going to discuss 5 ways to become irreplaceable at work. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to be notified each time a new video is released. Even when the economy is doing well, job security is a nice thing to have. After all, looking for a new job when you're out of work isn't exactly on anyone's list of the most fun things to do. You must be more than just good at your job for this to happen. Number 1. Exceed expectations. Going above and beyond may seem obvious, but it is a great way to stand out. Determine what each task necessitates and then crush it. Many employees may be unaware that they are expected to be more efficient and productive as they gain experience in their roles. Unfortunately, longer-term employees frequently lose enthusiasm and begin to work to the standards of their newest, least experienced, and often lower compensated counterparts. Number 2. Show initiative. Whether it's volunteering for an extra project or assignment or filling in for an absent employee, go the extra mile for the good of the department to impress your boss. Dive into things that will give you more visibility and exposure. They can probably find someone to do that functionally if you just keep your head down and do your job well. However, if you appear to be someone who is always willing to pitch in for company-wide projects, you will have a lot more fans. Number 3. Be present. In this day and age, when nearly everyone has their nose buried in their device, be the worker who looks everyone in the eyes. Employees who spend the day staring at their phones, unless they are used for business purposes, are perceived as distracted, disengaged, and less productive. Number 4. Become a problem solver. There are plenty of people in the workplace who are experts at pointing out what's wrong. Be the person who can provide the fix. Number 5. Be good at many things, or really good at one thing. There are 2 approaches that are useful in this situation. You can be good at a variety of things around the office, making you useful everywhere. Or you can be good at something no one else knows how to or wants to do. Thank you for watching the video.